Stop the shot, line up, way 05, 51 shot, I think.
01, runway 05, right, clear to land with 050318 knots.
Clear to land, runway 05, right, Pakistan 701.
Buffalo, contact 1 Delta Whiskey, Delta 6.
Contact 1 Delta Whiskey, ground, Lima Delta, that's 208.
Lima Delta 208, object 1 Delta Whiskey.
Hello, good afternoon, and 3 Whiskey Uniform. Taxi to Hotel 01.
Line 3 Whiskey Uniform, hold short, 09 left.
Hotel the Plan 8, and 3 Whiskey Uniform.
Setting 090 degrees, clear to the approach runway 05 right.
I'm turning 090 degrees, clear dial approach runway 05 right. Got that.
Thanks.
PK701 ISB, Bravo, Alpha, hold Alpha 1.
Bravo, Alpha 4. Under 5 Mike, Manchester radar, vector for that approach runway 05 right, turn left heading 240 degrees, D75 level 70.
5 Mike,
Just under 5 Mike, speed 230 knots or greater. 4 Foxtrot west, descent to altitude 4,000 feet, speed 190 knots. And then.
Zulu 1, hold short 05 left, Pakistan 701.
Running 51 to November, Manchester delivery. Don't have your clearance just yet, so be about another 10 minutes. Give me a call back then. Shamrock 2 Golf Alpha, speed 160 knots until 4 miles.
164, Shamrock 2 Golf Alpha.
Shamrock 2 Golf Alpha, contact tower 119.405, goodbye.
19405, Shamrock 2 Golf Alpha, thanks, good day.
Beeline 177, turn right heading 280 degrees.
Beeline 177,
Beeline 177, descent to altitude 4,000 feet.
descent for altitude, Beeline 177.
Beeline tower right, contact quality control 1
Okay, Delta 055, Jersey 1 Charlie, Mike, bye.
4 Foxtrot west, descent to altitude 2,500 feet, turn left heading 090 degrees, close to our approach runway 05 right. 090 degrees. Beeline 177, speed 190 knots.
619, Beeline 177.
Beeline 177, turn right heading.
Passing 320 degrees, Beeline 177.
Good day, that's 3 Whiskey. 5 right, we're clear to land, Shamrock 2 Golf Alpha.
Pakistan 701 Manchester Tower, hold short 05 west.
Hold short 05 left, right, that's Zulu 1 Pakistan 701.
Echo speed 210 knots. Take off wind 050 21 knots.
Runway 05 left, clear for left, that's 5 to Manhattan.
0203 Paris, 05 right, Beeline 177.
Up under 5 by Mike, turn right heading 290 degrees. Look at 4 Foxtrot west, speed 160 knots until 4 miles.
160, 440, established sequence,
4 Foxtrot west, contact tower 119.405, bye.
201,